Hello, hi beautiful and handsome learners. Today in my channel, I really welcome you, I appreciate you. Please touch the share button and share this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Today our topic is one more and one less. Actually, this topic is basically for 4, 5 years, 6 years. 6 years and thereabouts. Yes, I said so because some children might be 6 and above this topic, while some might be 6 and still need this topic. So, one more. What is one more? From the topic, more means add, means plus, means above. Okay? You count forward. When you say count one more, means you move a step ahead, a step forward. You count forward. What do we mean count forward? Counting forward means after 1, you go to 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it goes on. Why, on the other hand, 1 less means counting back. So 1 less, you count back from 10. It could be from 100, from any number. So 1 less, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, starting from one more, when we say more, like I said earlier, means counting forward, increase, addition. So, when probably you want something you have been given and you want more, that means you're saying it should be added to you. You want addition of that same thing. Okay. You've been given apple to eat and you enjoyed it and you want one more of it. You ask for one more. So extra one will be given to you. And then 1 less means you're taking away. Okay, so get the 2. 1 more, you're counting forward. 1 more, then 3 is 4. 1 more 4, 5. 1 more 5, 6. 1 more 6, 7. 1 more 7, 8. 1 more 8, 9. 1 more 9, you say 10. So, and 1 less, you count back. 1 less 10, you have 9. 1 less 8, you have 7. 1 less 7, you have 6. 1 less 6, you have 5. 1 less 5, you have 4. So you count back when you mean 1 less. And 1 more, you count forward. Let's come to the family section now. Probably daddy went out and came back from work and got himself this. He needs to listen to some music. And mommy comes back and says, oh darling, that's not nice. You got this for only yourself. And no, I love my wife. So he brings back and say, I have 1 more for you. That makes it 2. So daddy has 2. 1 more. Remember, 1 had 1 and then he had brought in another 1. That's 1 more. 1 more than 1 gives you 2. That means 1 plus 1. 1 add 1 makes 2. 1 and 1 makes 2. So, maybe your uncle comes in and says, whoa, I love this. The 2 of you have the same. Where is mine? This, yeah, I'm a caring brother. I'm a caring husband. So I have extra 1 for you. Wow. This is good, isn't it? So we add 1 to 2. Makes it 3. So 1 more then 2 gives you 3. 1 more 2 is 3. 1 more 3 gives us what? 4. So we have 4 now. 1 more. Can we get 1 more? 1 more. 4. One more 4 will give you 5. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So going back to one less means we're going to take away. So 1 less 5 is taking away 1. I'm going to have 4. 1 less 4 means I should take away 1. 1 less give me 3. 1 less 3, 1 less 3, 1 less give me 2. Did you see that? So 1 less is take away 1 less, and we have nothing. 0, nothing. So remember, 1 more is counting forward and 1 less is counting backward. Enjoy my video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.